If I die, this is gonna be the last thing you see of me.
So this is my bike here. This is this is my future bike.
That's not yours. You don't have ABS on yours.
So what?
You wish you had ABS.
So what? I don't have.
1, 2, 3 people can sit on that bike. It's so big. Yeah, that's how I ride my bike.
With one neck couldn't touch the ground. Another one what I did.
Stop. Check out me on my new bike.
We are the new vibe.
It's so high though. And if I lower it, it's gonna be extra 200. I don't know if I want to lower it because I heard that when you go on bumps, it eats the tire sometimes if it's lowered. Careful. Thanks for coming with me today, Fa. But the deal didn't go through with financing used motorcycles. That one was very high. They gave us it was like 22%, which is insane. Like, that's just stupid if I did get that. I'm so glad I have Fa with me. Like, he was the talkative one because I just stay quiet when we get there. And he just does all the talking for me. Yeah.
Headed back to Houston.
Yeah, we're headed back to Houston. It's about an hour drive from our house, so we're just gonna see where we're gonna eat on the road. So I guess I'll catch you guys when we pick where we're gonna eat. Do you have anything to say to them?
See you guys later.
Where are we at right now?
Cafe 101.
No one. You wanna get a drink first?
Hmm?
Oh, he left already. Our server sucks. He didn't ask us what we wanted to drink. I'm just kidding. We need more time. What are you getting?
I don't want sushi. I want too much sushi this week.
Sushi.
Episode
What? That time that we went. The time that we went the choo-choo sushi choo. It was good though, wasn't it?
It's good. But
Did you like sushi choo-choo?
yes.
What'd you get? What's that drink?
Skydiving.
Skydiving.
Linda in here. That's his what.
I got the mango something. The mango green tea. You want to try it? Here, you try it. With the lychee bobas or jellies.
And that mine? Good.
No, that looks disgusting. That's not that appealing. No.
Try it.
No.
Try it. Try it.
Mmm. Mine's a little sweet though. It's alright. Is it good?
Alright.
It's
The first
alright.
time try it, so you're alright.
What does it taste? Is it sweet? Or is it
Yeah,
like...
it's not like soda.
Oh, it's like soda.
Yes.
Oh, now I see. It's like the little bubbles in it.
Is it?
The little bubblies.
Yes.
That stuck tongue. Ew.
You guys want some duck tongue? Belinda want me to eat this.
Nuh-uh. thought you wanted to eat it. I was kidding about getting it.
That's for real.
Taste it and tell them how it is.
Is that for real? I wonder.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Ooh. Ew.
Lies. You secretly want it.
No.
Shut up, for
I
real?
don't like it, yeah.
Like no joke?
No.
Is it because the texture or because
No,
the
it's
taste?
just because I thought that's just like something else, not butter, but it's kind of like butter. It's still the bone inside.
The balls, the appetizer balls. Our server needs to come here because this loser needs to order something else.
What did you call me?
Look at that loser. You should just order that. You just wanted that. I'm eating this grass jelly dessert.
What? It's so evil.
I can't eat this. I can't get it. I can't get it. Good. Tastes like coffee. So we're at the Great Wall Supermarket. About to turn up. Turn up. Do they have upstairs?
What's that upstairs?
Ah, let's go. I'm gonna get this. It's usually like $7. It's $3.99. $3.99.
You want me to hold it?
$3.99.
You don't want me to hold it for you?
No. Ah! We're on the escalator. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. How do we get down? Oh, we can only take the... That's scary. We have to stay up here forever.
Forever.
Lọc Lao, tiếng Thái. Beignets.
Huh?
Cafe du Monde in New Orleans. It's from there.
Oh, really?
From New Orleans.
New Orleans.
We gotta go back down to get a basket. 'Cause look how
We
much
gotta go back
we
in.
have.
Oh, I found
Oh
it.
yeah! Yay, good job.
Mine now.
Good job.
Mine now.
Can I put my stuff in there too?
Hell no.
Can I? Can I put it in there? No.
No, you been enough.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Oh, it stinks in here. It smells like, what does it smell like? Like rotten.
What?
I don't know. It smells like stinky spit or something.
They ran the.
Do you want it?
Yes. I want
Okay.
cat.
Get this one then. Get this one. Because people be wearing this one. Cái đi lạt thạt thảo à? Đi lạt thạt thảo à? Oh, stereo headphones? That's cute. It's cute, but I don't want it.
What?
What's this?
Don't touch me. Alarm nữa.
Oh, this is the piggy. This is cute.
This is
I'm gonna get a whoopee cushion. So I'm bringing this to work. I'm bringing this to work, guys. This boy is trying to get this ball.
yeah. So
And how many points did you get in the basketball game?
I think 11.
Let's go.
Can I get a ball?
Yeah, get it. Today was Faw's first time at Dave & Buster's.
Yes.
What did you think about it?
Awesome.
Was
To be
awesome?
a loser.
He just found out that he sucks in all these arcade games.
Awesome to be a loser.
I'm just kidding, I've been coming for years, so unlike some amateurs over here.
Amateur over here. What are you talking about?
So I got a whoopee cushion and he got like a basketball, and what else did you get? You got a basketball and
A hat.
bye-bye.